Good day everyone, my name is Azrai from Avarai Technologies, and today we'll be looking into the whiteboard application of our Newline Q Series interactive touch panel. So let's launch the whiteboard application and first take a look at all the drawing or annotation tools located at the bottom. So first, of course, you have your pen and you can choose whatever color that you want or whatever size of the pen that you want, and you can easily draw or write on this board easily. So the second one will be your highlighting tool. So of course you can choose whichever color that you want or whichever size of the highlighter that you want, so you can easily highlight your text. The third one would be all the shapes tools, so you can choose circle, square, triangle, star, or even arrow, and choose whatever color that you want. So you can just easily press it and then you can draw the shape on the board very easily. The fourth one would be the selecting tool. So for example, you can just select this part right here, or you can easily move it around or even delete it if you want to. And of course the fifth one is the eraser tool, so you can of course just erase whichever part of the whiteboard that you want. And this one will be to clear everything, so you can clear all your notes. And this one will be the undo button, so you can undo whatever that you did very easily. So now let's take a look at how we can add more pages. So we can just add a page by just pressing the plus button, and you can write on your new page whatever notes that you want, and you can even add multiple of other pages, so you can just easily press the plus button and you can even go back to whichever page that you want. So if you want to go back to page number 1, we can go back to page number 1 and it will always be there. So you can change all the pages by just pressing the arrow button here, or just pressing the overview, and you can choose which page that you want, and you can also select which page that you want, so you can either delete it, share it, or even save it to your files. So now let's draw on the board using our given stylus or pen. So if I choose a color on the stylus, for example, I want to choose maybe a color of green, I can, every time I write on the board using the pen, it will become green color. And if I use my finger and choose another color, for example red, so every time I draw on the board using my finger, it will become a red color. So if you can see, using the stylus it will become green, and using the finger it will become red color. So let's take a look at what options do we have to insert into this whiteboard. So if I press the 3 dots right here, you can either choose to add an image onto your whiteboard, or even a text, a sticky note, a document, or even you can do a Google search image. So if I press the search image here, and maybe I want to find some color schemes, right? So if I just search color schemes here, it will be a Google search where you're going to have multiples and multiples of results. So what you can do is you can just choose whichever image that you want, and you can just drag and drop it into your whiteboard, and of course you can resize it, and of course you can also draw or write on top of your image. So what else can you do? You can also do a web search. So for example, if I press the web search, it will be a Google page come out, and you can just type whatever that you want to find. So maybe I can write, what is interior design? So then you can look up on what is the meaning of interior design. So interior design is the art and science of understanding people's behaviors. So what else can you do is you can also pull up a YouTube video directly onto the whiteboard. So if I press here, maybe I want to find some interior design videos. I can just press here interior design, and it will come up of all the YouTube videos available on the interior design topic. So if I just press whichever video that I want, it will pop up here, and you can easily view the video on your whiteboard itself. You can also do a full screen. So this makes it easy for you to find all of your information and put it straight onto the whiteboard, and you don't have to add any pen drives or thumb drives or even save any files onto this whiteboard. You can easily just do a Google search or even a YouTube search. Now let's take a look at the share function that we have on this Newline Q Series. So for example, after you have done maybe some of your notes or some of your drawings, you can choose to share it to your participants either using a QR code. So you can export it using QR code, so your participants can just scan the QR code, and whatever that you have drawn or written on the whiteboard, it will be saved directly onto their phone or devices. Or you can even choose to save it to a USB, or you can even press the share button and choose to either send an email out to all of your participants, or even using via Bluetooth, nearby share, or any other forms of sharing methods that you would like to choose. So this Newline Q Series also has a split mode function where you can just press the 3 dots here and press the split mode, and the board will separate into 2 separate canvases, so 2 people can maybe write on the board simultaneously, and I can choose a different color on the right, so I choose blue on the right, and I can choose maybe a green on the left, so 2 people can write on the board simultaneously. And you can also choose to have a 3 split where the board will separate into 3 separate canvases, so 3 people can write on the board simultaneously. So thank you for watching this short explanation of some of the whiteboard functions that are available on our Newline Q Series. And of course, there are many other functions that I'm not able to tell you in this short video. So if you'd like to have a free and live demonstration and want to know more about our Newline Q Series interactive display, do contact us at Avarai Technologies, and we will be able to help you and provide you with the best interactive technology for your organization. Thank you for watching. See you.